Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of ethical hacking and comparing two titans in the programming world, Python versus JavaScript. We're going to break down which language reigns supreme for different hacking scenarios, from network penetration to web app vulnerabilities. Whether you're a seasoned hacker or just starting your journey, understanding these tools is key. Let's get started. Crafting your own custom exploits, Python's got the tools you need to get the job done. Now let's shift gears and talk about JavaScript, the language that breathes life into the web. If Python is the master of the backend, JavaScript is the king of the front end, reigning supreme within your web browser. Now this is where things get really interesting, especially if you're into hacking web applications. You see, JavaScript's ability to interact directly with the user's browser opens up a whole new world of attack vectors, allowing you to exploit vulnerabilities that backend-focused languages like Python can only dream of. We're talking about attacks like cross-site scripting, or XSS for short, where you inject malicious JavaScript code into a website, essentially turning the site against its own users. Then there's cross-site request forgery, or CSRF, where you trick a user's browser into performing unwanted actions on a website they're already authenticated on. These attacks prey on the trust that exists between a user and a website, and JavaScript is the key to unlocking them. But JavaScript's power doesn't stop there. It's also incredibly effective for things like browser exploitation, where you target vulnerabilities in the browser itself to gain control of the user's system. Think about it. Browsers are our windows to the internet, and JavaScript is the language that controls those windows. And let's not forget about payload delivery. JavaScript is incredibly versatile when it comes to delivering malicious payloads, whether it's redirecting users to malicious websites, stealing sensitive information like cookies, or even taking control of their webcams and microphones. JavaScript's tight integration with web browsers makes it an indispensable tool for any hacker looking to target web applications. Whether you're crafting clever XSS payloads, exploiting browser vulnerabilities, or crafting sophisticated phishing attacks, JavaScript gives you the power to manipulate the user's browsing experience in ways that other languages can only envy. So we've got Python, the backend boss, and JavaScript, the front-end phenom. Now let's pit them head-to-head and see where each language truly shines in the hacking arena.
Python excels in server-side scripting and automation, making it ideal for penetration testing. Its libraries are a hacker's toolkit, with port scanners, vulnerability scanners, and exploit frameworks. JavaScript thrives in the client-side environment, manipulating the user's browser for malicious ends. It's the master of deception, exploiting user trust to bypass security measures.
Python often requires more setup, needing installation and external libraries. JavaScript runs natively in modern web browsers, making it highly portable.
So, which language should you choose for your hacking endeavors? For network penetration and system vulnerabilities, Python is your go-to. But for web applications and browser exploits, JavaScript is the tool you need.
Languages. Code. As we've seen, both Python and JavaScript offer unique strengths and capabilities in the ethical hacking domain. The choice between these two powerful languages ultimately depends on your specific goals, the nature of your target, and your personal preferences. Cybersecurity analyst? If you're drawn to the world of network penetration testing, system exploitation, and the thrill of uncovering vulnerabilities in servers and infrastructure, then Python should be your language of choice. Its versatility, abundance of libraries, and focus on backend tasks make it an indispensable tool for any aspiring penetration tester. However, if your passion lies in web application security, and you're eager to delve into the intricacies of browser exploitation, XSS and CSRF attacks, then JavaScript is the language that will empower you to navigate the client-side landscape. The truth is, becoming proficient in both Python and JavaScript will undoubtedly make you a more well-rounded and versatile ethical hacker. These languages often complement each other, and understanding their strengths and weaknesses will give you a significant edge in the ever-evolving landscape of cybersecurity analyst. So, don't limit yourself to just one language. Embrace the power of both Python and JavaScript, explore their capabilities, and discover how these versatile tools can enhance your ethical hacking journey. That wraps up our deep dive into the world of Python and JavaScript for ethical hacking. We've explored their strengths, weaknesses, and how they stack up against each other in different hacking scenarios. Remember, knowledge is power, and understanding these tools is crucial for anyone looking to break into cybersecurity. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech breakdowns and ethical hacking insights. And don't forget to share this video with your fellow tech enthusiasts and aspiring hackers. Until next time, keep those firewalls strong and your coding skills sharp. See you in the next one.